Here's your next tech tip for the day. You may have a hybrid vehicle in your shop, or you need to diagnose and work on something that has to do with the internal combustion engine. Well, if you put it into the shop under the normal conditions, that engine will turn on and off depending on how the hybrid system wants it to run. So if I need to run further diagnostics and make that ICE run for longer, I have to put it into maintenance mode. The way I'm going to do that is with a couple of button and pedal depresses, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So we're going to start off with a key on, no ready mode, because engine off really doesn't mean anything. So no ready mode means the vehicle is not ready to run. I'm going to do that by doing a power depress with no brake pedal to go ahead and get all of my lights on. We're going to get a series of beeps, 5 to be exact, and then we're going to start going into the maintenance mode. So I'm going to go ahead and power on. I'm going to wait for the 5 beeps. Once the 5 beeps finish, I'm going to depress the accelerator pedal twice. 1, 2. I'm going to press on the brake pedal to go into neutral. If you don't press the brake pedal, the vehicle won't let you go to neutral. Press the accelerator pedal twice again. Go into park. Press the accelerator pedal twice once more. And now you're in maintenance mode. Depending on the version of hybrid that you have, the older versions will say you have a problem. And it'll have a car with an exclamation mark letting you know you're in maintenance mode. On generation 3 and on, will actually display maintenance mode is active or maintenance mode is available. And that's how you know you're going to be in maintenance mode. The internal combustion engine now runs, and I can run all of my diagnostics when it comes to air-fuel ratio sensors, looking at short and long-term fuel trims, cam and crank correlation, misfire data PIDs, misfire counters. Once again, this is how you get into maintenance mode to be able to diagnose the internal combustion engine problems aside from our high voltage system.